another one of my projects. This time, it's my house. So we added a lot of lights, a lot of new hot tub. So I lit it up. New Trex Transcends deck. Yes, I got my deer antlers hanging. I got my curtains. Still under construction because you can see the sawhorses. But just got the lights working here this week. Enjoying my hot tub. City living. Oh, what is that? Another deer. What's that say? Bradley Kent, DECKSDECKSDECKS. Yeah, put in one sliding glass door. Put in two. So, as they say, fruits of my labor. Still under construction, almost done. You want a new deck? Give me a call, 412-247-DECK or DECKSDECKSDECKS.NET. We'll light it up.